Hi guys, welcome to A for Allison. Today we're gonna bake chocolate cupcakes. And so we have, what's this called? Just the sugar?
Sugar.
Ooh, can I pour in the milk?
Okay.
Ready, set, go.
Go ahead.
Should I stir it?
Go.
It looks like a tornado.
Mm-hmm. Go.
Mix. Now you have to mix it all. Mix it up, mix and mix and mix. Mix and.
Go.
Wait.
Go. Do it.
Alright.
Good job.
Now can I mix it?
Okay.
Oh my.
Looks good.
Yeah. It looks like chocolate frosted.
Mm-hmm.
And it's so. We're gonna split that. You'll learn that.
Okay. Ready?
Mm-hmm. Already been recording.
Wow, it looks like a rose. What? Looks like a rose studing.
Mm-hmm.
Now I need to lick the spatula.
You don't need to lick anything.
Why?
I said you don't need to, you want to.
Yeah.
Great girl.
A little bit more.
Decoration.
Yes. Come here.
Okay, so we are going to do both of these. So this one is going to go here at the 6, and then that white one is going to go, or maybe top and top.
Okay.
Like we're just going to put like this one all over it, and then that one.
Okay. Go ahead. You just sprinkle them.
Okay. Okay, just a minute.
You just tell them that we are accepting orders too. That's enough, baby. That's too much. That second one. Go ahead. That's enough.
When this top to this popped right on.
Shane, would you mind to
Okay.
say something?
Okay, now I'm gonna sprinkle.
Put it up, baby. Put it up, and then just shake it. Shake. Go. Go.
Oopsie.
There you go. That's perfect. Good job.
I put so many sprinkles. I accidentally did that.
Go ahead.
That's why I put them more lower so I don't get
No,
too
it's
much.
fine.
No,
Go ahead.
you're supposed to
You
give them space.
There you go. You're doing perfect. Good job.
Oh boy, child labor.
Go. Good. Go. Keep going. Shake them. Shake them.
Oh, still more.
That's great.
They were falling.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna eat them. I'm gonna eat the sprinklies. Come here.
You can't.
Go.
Shake, 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 shake.